It's confusing when your parents don't visit as frequently as they once did. The mighty Philippine Eagle. The chick is very demanding. She expects regular food drops. But like a toddler having a tantrum, she doesn't want any help at mealtimes. But if his youngster is to take her next steps, he knows it's time for some tough love. From now on, visits will be less frequent. The parents drop by with an occasional food parcel. It's confusing when your parents don't visit as frequently as they once did. Every day she calls, but no one is paying any attention. She's hungry. It's time to become a proper eagle. Flapping strengthens flight muscles in 2-meter wings. So far, she's never ventured beyond the security of her nest. There's a 70-meter drop to the forest floor. It's a nervous moment, but she must persevere. Right now, she's all toes and talons. Every day, she gets a little stronger and more confident. Now is the moment to reach for the sky. Her first ever flight from her nest tree. It'll be nearly a year before she's fully independent. Then her survival will depend on finding a territory with large stretches of unspoiled jungle.